The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you find this video and podcast helpful. If you need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 414-253-2080. That's 414-253-2080. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. We can also serve you completely virtually. Please enjoy the video.
Hi everyone, this is Matt with Learn About Law, and in this video I'm going to discuss what are the surviving spouse's rights in Wisconsin probate. In Wisconsin, a person who dies without a will is said to have died intestate. The decedent's estate will be administered according to Wisconsin statute. The share of the surviving spouse is determined by the decedent's other survivors. If only the surviving spouse survives the decedent, the spouse receives all of the property. If the decedent is survived by a surviving spouse and children, who are both the decedent and the surviving spouse's children, the surviving spouse is entitled to all marital and separate property. If the decedent had children that were not shared with the surviving spouse receives half of the decedent's property that is not marital property or owned jointly with the spouse as tenants in common, and the children receive half of the marital property and half of the separate property. It's important to understand that Wisconsin is a marital property state by default, despite the fact that it is not officially a community property state. The law presumes that both spouses' property is marital property. By written agreement, marital land may be reclassified as individual property. Such property would be exempt from marital property care if there was a formal agreement in place. What about different exemptions and allowances? The surviving spouse is entitled to certain allowances and exemptions under Wisconsin law, including a family allowance. At the discretion of the court, a surviving spouse can receive a family allowance while the estate is being administered. The credit can be used for up to 1 year and can be renewed for another 1-year term. A special allowance. If the surviving spouse may not have sufficient means to support him or herself, he or she might be eligible for a special allowance. If the estate is insolvent, the surviving spouse may petition the court to set aside exempt property valued at less than $10,000. Also, in regards to personal property, if all claims are paid in full, the surviving spouse will choose pieces of personal property other than those expressly bequeathed. Otherwise, the election is limited to $5,000 in value. Thanks for watching. To learn more, check out our article linked below. And be sure to leave any questions you have in the comments and subscribe for more legal content daily.
Hi again, this is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you enjoyed the video and podcast. If you did, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel. If you need legal help in this or any other area of law, please don't hesitate to reach out to schedule a consultation. Most consultations are free and can be conducted remotely if you'd like. You can email us, book online, or call us at 414-253-2080. That's 414-253-2080. We have many locations for your convenience and we serve all of Wisconsin. Thanks again for watching.